Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set side button or power button to end calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to this dialer, then go to this three vertical dots here and click on settings here and click on answering and ending calls, and here turn on this button, press side button to end the calls. Just turn on this button so that you can use side button, this side button, that is power button, to end the calls. So here I am checking, I am making a call from another phone and I will receive a call, and after attending the call is in progress, and to cut the call you will usually this soft key. Okay, instead of soft key, now you can use this side key, that is power key, to end the call, so that you can make sure that your call is end completely. Okay, see here, one press it and call is cut. Okay, suppose if you are using soft key, there may be a chance to miss out. Okay, so call may not be cut. So it is better to use this option, side button, to end calls. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.